Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I'm going to do the first installment of a few fall makeup trends for 2024. I did this last year for 23 and I had a lot of fun with it, so I thought I would reprise it and do it again. So the first fall 2024 trend I'm going to do is pink eyeshadow, if you didn't put it together. So pink eyeshadow was pretty big at Fashion Week this year. A bunch of different ways. Some just put a big glob of it in the corner of the eyes. Some of them did a more smudge, sort of lived-in effect. Others just used a pink eyeshadow as a liner. Really, the sky's the limit, pink eyeshadow. It's very fun, it's very candy colored, and I think it still has that little bit of Barbie-Core that we're all not ready to let go of yet. So I used this little pink palette, the Wink palette, from Hard Candy from Walmart, actually. So this palette's really nice. It's little, it's cute, but the shades really pack a punch. I think it was $3, maybe $3.99. Really quite reasonable for an eyeshadow palette. And it's really handy and tiny, so you could take it with you. They have a bunch of other shades, not just the pink range, that I will probably look into because I really like these ones. So there's not too much explanation of a pink eyeshadow. It's pretty straightforward, and it's gonna be a big trend this fall. So here is my take on the Runway's pink eyeshadow trend for fall. I hope you enjoy it. So we're gonna start off with the Mood palette in the shade Wink and take that really bright pink color right there, and on a rounded crease brush, just start working that all over the lid of your eye. This is a really nice shade of pink. It's pretty saturated. That was only one swipe right there. I do layer it, but it's pretty good. Like for such an affordable palette, it's really saturated colors. So just keep working that. I did do 2 layers of pink. Just really build it up. Just work it a little bit up into the crease. Think Barbie-Core pink, just to get a really super saturated hot pink shade. And take that shimmery light pink and put that through the brow bone, just to really get a nice highlight. It has such a pearly pretty finish that it really complements the intense vibrant pink that is on the lids. So just work that through. Same thing on your other eye, right through the brow bone. Then take a super black liquid liner. This one's from Eyeko. And start with a thin line, just running that across your top lash line. The great thing about this shade from Eyeko, Black Magic, is that it is such an intense dark pigment. It looks really cool next to the bright pink color. So really high contrast. And then just wing it out just a little bit. Next, with a black pencil liner, same thing but on the lower waterline. You want that really intense black. Just stop about 3/4 the way across your lower waterline, because we're going to fill that in with another pink shade in just a minute. That purple violet shade, just run that along your lower lash line. Also a really nice contrast to our hot pink shade, just to give a little more depth to the eyes. Really gently. It's a nice matte shade, so there's not much fallout. Then go in with a bit more of the highlighter shade. Just start to trace that along the inner corners of your eyes, just meeting the shade on the lower lash line. Just to make eyes look a little more wide awake. Nothing crazy. Take a super black mascara, this one's Fan Fest, from Benefit, and put that on your top and bottom lashes. A few coats. I really like this mascara because it gives you a super fanned out, wide awake look. Really goes nice with our bright pink eyeshadow. Then take a concealer, one that matches your skin tone, and run that under your eyes just to clean up any fallout from any shadow. Sometimes these high pigment shadows have a little bit of fallout. These ones didn't have a ton though. So just clean that up really quick. I really like this concealer the best because I think it gives a nice creaseless finish. Very natural. It doesn't cake. It is absolutely my go-to concealer. If you're familiar with my videos at all, you already know that. Then take a light bronze contour shade and run that just under your cheekbone and bring it up and around. You get this really harsh line and then blend that out really well. I just use my fingertips. You could use a buffing brush if it's easier for you. We just want the appearance of a shadow, so it takes a little blending. Same deal on the other side. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's more about the eyes in this look. Then I took a liquid blush, that one's from Rare Beauty, kind of corally pink, and I just blended that onto the apples of my cheeks, and going upwards a bit, just to keep with the pink theme. Not quite as strong as the eyes though. The eyes are the main focus in this trend. I used a cream highlighter stick. This is a really nice one from NYX, very pearly white. And I just ran that on the tops of my cheeks, going to the temples, and just blended it gently with my fingertips. I think it really helps it melt nicely into the skin and really set everything together. Finally, take a frosty pink lipstick and just run that on your lips. It's nice because the frost helps it from being too intense, so it's not competing for attention with the eyes, but it's also bringing the whole theme together, really. And there we have our finished pink eyeshadow tutorial fall trend for 2024. This is my take on it. There's a lot of runway versions that you can check out that you might like. I think this one's pretty fun. Definitely has a Barbie-Core aesthetic going on as well. And pink is really nice if you have hazel eyes. Really brings out some of the other shades. So, there's that too. And that about covers my pink eyeshadow 2024 trend for fall. I've never loved pink eyeshadow on myself just because I don't think it looks great with my skin tone, but I think the super saturated pink looks a lot better than maybe more of a paler pink. But that's just my opinion. It's not right or wrong. Definitely stay tuned for my additional fall 2024 makeup tutorials. Check out the blog for more details on this look. If you're not already following me on social media and Instagram, you should be, because that's where I am chronicling my back to college story after about 7 years. So it's really funny, it's kind of sad, but I'm having a good time making the videos and sort of sharing that journey with everyone, because it's not embarrassing at all. Thank you again for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.